Say hello to your friends in your country.
Yes. Oh.
Say hello to your friends, your family.
Hey, friends, have family. Help. Thank you very much. Love you.
Your name is?
Alan,
Alan from?
Sarasota, Florida, USA.
Wow, from Florida. Hello. Are you having a vacation here?
Yes, here to see my daughter.
Okay, where's your daughter?
Daughter's up in the audience. I haven't seen her for 36 years. Angela.
Angela, come here. Wow. Is that your daughter?
That's my daughter
You haven't seen her?
in 36 years.
Wow, that's a good story. Kita mo? Matagal kayo hindi nakita. Okay, this is your dad? Okay. For 30 years, hindi kayo nakita?
Almost 36 years po.
Oh, and then?
I left her when she was 18 months old. She was 18 months old when I left, and then back in 1980. And she found me on Facebook through my other daughter.
Wow, that's a good story. What do you want to tell your father?
I'm just saying, want to tell you, Dad, thank you so much for everything that you gave me now, what I have now. For almost 36 years, you know na sobrang hirap. Alam niya po na napakahirap po ng buhay na hindi po ako nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Iniwan niya po ako, sabi niya nung nagkausap kami, 18 years old po ako. Pero nung 1990 po, sumulat siyang bigla sa akin para hanapin po ako. Kaso dumating naman, nagsulatan na po kami noon, nagpapadala ako ng picture, pati siya, picture din, sulat. Dumating naman po yung pinatubo kasi sa Olonga po kami nakatira. Lahat po ng kontak ko sa kanya. Natabunan po ng bahay ng pinatubo. Ngayon po bali wala na po akong kontak sa kanya. Kaya po nung natuto po akong mag-Facebook neto lang po dahil sa mga anak ko, napilitan po akong lahat ng apelidong Williams. Chinat ko po talaga kasi hindi ko po alam yung middle initial niya. Yun po ang kailangan ko.
She's telling us about her story.
Yes.
During the pinatubo, she lost everything to your contact numbers. So, no contact for you, okay? And now, you're a grandfather now.
Yes.
How many kids?
3 kids po.
3 kids. You have seen them? Have you seen them?
Yes.
You're a good man, eh? You're a good man.
At ang pinaka-importante po doon, hindi ko po gamit ang apelido niya. Apelido po ng nanay ko. Tapos, bago po ako mag-birthday nitong July 29, nito pong July 26, lumabas na po yung acknowledgement ng apelido po niya. Kaya po, yung dati po akong Angela Tuason, Angela Williams na po ako.
Wow, congratulations. Well, bakit kayo nandito now? Why is it that you're here in the show, Wawawin? Who invited you here?
Yung mga kasama po namin.
Ayun.
Taga-Kalumpit po. Na gusto po nila na maibahagi ko po yung story ko po dito sa Wawawin. Kasi napakagandang story nga daw po sa loob ng 36 years po.
It's a good thing, huh? And thank you so much for being here. All right, thank you. Thank you.